What is up, you guys? Today I am going to be doing an unboxing and wig review by a company by the name of Yolova. And this is what the package looks like. They reached out to me via email and asked me if I would like to do a wig review on my channel, and I could choose whatever wig I wanted and the length. So I did choose this Piano Honey Blonde, which is totally different from me. You guys know that I'm used to wearing burgundy hair or just all black, but I just wanted to try something different. So I chose this in 24 inches. The density of this wig is 180%. And this is a 13x4 lace wig. And I'm gonna unbox it now so you guys can see for the very first time with me what this wig actually looks like. And when you first open up the box, it says, explore your hair journey. And it comes in this drawstring bag that says Yolova, and it has the wig in here. Also, there is some black tweezers that they give you if you want to pluck the hair. You get some eyelashes. And look at that, y'all. It's heart shaped. Y'all know I love hearts, so it was meant for me to have this. I don't care what you say. And also, you get wig caps. Alrighty, so that's all that's in this box here. And I'm just gonna stick that on the floor. Let's get to this wig. Okay, so it comes in this plastic bag. Ooh, I'm getting excited. These colors, honey. Wow. So, coming straight out the pack. Okay. Don't shoot, y'all. Don't shoot. Oops, hold on. It done got caught up on the little hook here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, y'all. Okay. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna be cute. I ain't even got the wig on yet. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness. Look at this wig. And this is the color of the lace. And the knots are slightly bleached, but I am definitely going to bleach the knots. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like. And the back of the cap, and just in case if you got a peanut head like me and you need to make it a little bit more secure, you got your straps, you got your clips, and you got room to part. So if you want to do like a middle part, or if you want to do a side part, you definitely have room to do that. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like coming straight out of the box, you guys. I'm definitely going to do some work to it to make it my own. With it being pre-plucked, it has baby hairs. It doesn't really look like I need to really do too much to it. I'm going to go ahead and bleach these knots and then see what it looks like after I bleach the knots. But if I have to pluck it, I'm definitely going to do that. But it looks, so far, it doesn't really look like it needs to be plucked too much. Alrighty, so let's get started, y'all. Alrighty, you guys, now I'm going to take my BW2 and my 40 developer, and I'm going to take 2 scoops of my BW2, and then I'm going to take 1 full scoop and then a half a scoop to make a toothpaste-like consistency. So that way it's not too thick, but it's not too runny either, because you don't want it to seep through the roots of the hair. And I use the same consistency every time when I bleach my knots, so I know exactly how much to use. and this is what you want it to look like. All done with this look, but I think I'm missing something. Much better. Alrighty, you guys, so that is going to be it for this wig review. One thing I want to say is I love the color, and the only downside to this wig for me is that the cap is too big for my head. Other than that, I love the wig. It's 100% virgin hair. I've never used virgin hair before, but I do love this hair, and it feels so soft, very minimal on the shedding. Even after I washed it and cut the lace, very minimal on the shedding. So you guys, if you are interested in this wig or any wig from this company, I'm going to leave all the information down below so you can visit the website. And also, if you want 15% off, all you have to do is just use my code MTT. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you on another one real soon. And as always, don't forget to slay them edges.